My family's been going to Susanna's beach house in Cousins every summer since I was a baby. All year long, I count the days until I'm in that house. The summer house is made up of lots of things. The swimming pool late at night, but the boys most of all. I've always loved that about it.
매년 여름이면 수제나의 여름 별장으로 휴가를 떠나는 주인공 벨리. 올해도 어김없이 벨리는 엄마 로럴, 오빠 스티븐과 함께 별장으로 향하는 중이었는데요.
Hey, are you new this summer?
Me? No.
Really? Thought I knew every pretty girl in Cousins. Coming to the bonfire tonight. First of the season.
Maybe I will.
I'll see you later.
What's later? Nothing.
잠깐 들른 주유소에서 직원의 플러팅을 받아 자신감이 생긴 벨리는 1년 동안 기다리던 사람을 만날 준비를 하죠. 마침내 별장에 다다른 벨리가죠.
What's up?
Hi. Oh my God.
Hello.
이내 수제나와 그녀의 둘째 아들 제러마이아가 마중을 나오고
Look who came back all grown up.
인사를 나누던 벨리는 오랜 첫사랑 콜레드도 만나게 됩니다.
I liked you better with glasses.
Too bad. I like me better without them.
Yeah. Hey, guys.
그렇게 벨리의 꿈 같은 여름 휴가가 시작되죠. 어느새 첫날에 해가 지고 벨리는 모두와 저녁 식사를 하게 되는데요.
Steven.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Boom! Nailed it.
Okay. We get it. You've been working out.
Oh, you're just jealous because Jer has a better body than you.
No, actually, it's all about the lean look now. Otherwise, you can't wear tailored suits.
Sure. Tailored suits.
When are you leaving for training camp, man?
He quit football.
Wait, really? You quit?
어쩐지 조금 처져 보이는 콜레드의 모습이 이상하다고 느끼는 벨리.
Oh, Belly, I almost forgot. Have a surprise for you. I wrangled Belly an invitation to be a debutante.
Is that the thing where the girls wear white dresses and curtsy?
It's when a girl comes of age and is presented to society. I know it sounds silly, but I swear it's fun. Girls come from all over New England to Cousins just to be a part of it. You'll make so many new friends.
상류층이나 하는 데뷔탕트가 부담스러웠지만 벨리는 수제나의 성의를 무시할 수 없었죠.
I'll think about it.
She'll think about it.
그렇게 식사를 마치고 수영을 즐기러 나온 벨리는 콜레드를 만나게 되는데요.
I thought you said smoking pot changes the way your brain processes information.
So does your cell phone.
I mean, Conrad, you're the one who said that smoking's dumb and that real athletes don't put shit in their bodies.
I said a lot of stuff. And I'm not an athlete anymore. So,
I still think you should quit.
what do you give me if I do?
Nothing. I think you should quit for yourself.
Hey, why are you considering this debutante thing?
But it's not you. Don't let my mom make you her little doll just because she never had a daughter.
I don't mind it. I mean, sometimes I wish I was her daughter.
You're better off with Laurel, trust me.
Why are you acting so different?
1년 사이 많이 비뚤어진 콜레드가 이상한 벨리.
I'm not.
I know you. I mean, something's going on. Just tell me.
Belly.
Where's bonfire this summer?
Come on, man. We're leaving. You ready?
Can I come too?
No.
하지만 벨리는 갑자기 난입한 두 남자 때문에 제대로 된 이야기를 듣지 못하죠. 아무래도 첫사랑이 신경 쓰인 벨리는 친구 테일러에게 고민을 털어놓으려 하는데요.
Tonight, Conrad and I were talking by the pool, just the two of us, and it felt different.
Good different? See, I told you.
I don't know. I mean, Jeremiah and Stephen came down, and then they all just left and went to this thing on the beach.
Oh, why didn't you go with them?
Like I care about a beach bonfire. And It's not like they invited me either, so.
They don't own the beach.
But that's not the point. Conrad will be there. Go to the bonfire, get in his eye line.
Let him see you all dressed up and looking cute.
Look in your duffel bag.
You see it?
No way in hell.
Belly, nothing's ever going to happen if you're alone crying in your room in your big t-shirt waiting for the boys to come home.
결국 벨리는 큰맘 먹고 몰래 모닥불 파티에 가기로 합니다. 하지만 막상 와보니 어색해진 벨리.
I'm gonna kill Taylor.
Yo, gas station girl. Where you coming from?
Another party.
Here, take my beer.
No, thanks. I'm okay.
Get a boyfriend back home.
Steven!
What are you doing here? And I'm sorry, what are you wearing?
I invited her. Who the fuck are you?
I'm her brother. No, she's 15, you pedo.
I'm almost 16.
My bad.
Jesus Christ, Pelly,
What are you doing?
No, do you know how embarrassing it is? You're embarrassing.
Why am I embarrassing?
Quit embarrassing yourself. Are you kidding me? Are you okay? Pelly?
게다가 하필이면 그때 벨리는 다른 여자와 있는 콜레드를 보게 됩니다.
Who are you? Who are you? Nicole? Conrad and I went to the Deb Ball together last summer.
Well, you're an asshole.
Pelly, you came. Great. We can all hang out, you guys. I'm about to take her home.
What?
Yeah, we're leaving. Are you kidding me?
Okay, Steven, chill out. Come on, go hang out with Shayla or something.
Fine, but just stay right here and don't talk to anybody.
Okay, all right, chill.
Fuck you!
Wow. For one, I'm really happy you're here.
Jeremiah.
Okay, I will be right back.
결국 혼자 앉아 파티에 온 걸 자책하고 있는 벨리에게 누군가 다가오는데요.
Hi, it's me, Sextus.
What did you say to me?
No, Sextus. From 7th grade Latin convention. You're Flavia, right? You play second in the poem recitation?
Yeah.
우연히 안면이 있는 학생 캠을 만나게 된 벨리.
You can sit down if you want.
Oh, okay, cool, yeah.
Are you new this summer?
No, I'm from here. Are you?
No, I've been coming to Cousins ever since I was a baby.
What? How have we not met until now? I totally would have remembered you.
Yeah, no, I stick pretty close to home when I'm here. I guess because I don't really know anybody other than my family.
I do. Are you cold?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
No, I don't even like this city. It's thanks.
Hey, did everybody see me fall before?
Sort of, yeah.
My brother is such a dick.
Brother. So, like, who were the other guys you were with? Is any of them like your boyfriend?
No. They're my mom's best friend's sons.
Oh.
We stay at their house every summer. They're just mad that I'm here.
I'm really glad you came. Because I did not want to come. I knew it was just going to be a bunch of kids, like, getting drunk. And I don't drink at all.
Me neither.
It's pretty late. I really don't want to leave right now, but I have to be up really early in the morning.
두 사람이 대화를 이어나가던 그때 작은 소동이 벌어지는데요.
Stop, you're drunk. Just give him the beer.
Maybe you should listen to
Stop.
your lady.
No,
You're
I'm
drunk.
fine.
I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Don't go anywhere.
No, yeah.
바로 콜레드가 벨리에게 집적대던 남자와 싸우고 있는 상황이었습니다.
You guys.
Belly. Guys, what the fuck is wrong with you? Are you okay? Come on, big man. Hey, guys. Get out of here.
결국 난장판이 된 파티.
Come on. Get in the car. Belly, let's go. Get in.
Cam can give me a ride home, right, Cam?
Yes, that's no problem.
No, you're not gonna get in a car with the guy you just met.
So I'm Cameron.
Your name is Cam Cameron?
No, it's just Cam.
Okay. No offense, but no. Belly, get in the car.
Just get in the car.
You should probably go. But the whaling boat that I intern on, it leaves at dawn every morning from the piers. I was wondering if you...
Yes, sure. I mean, how else will you get your hoodie back, right?
It's true.
This could be my summer wish. This night, this boy.
벨리는 배려심 깊고 착한 캠이 마음에 들었죠.
Yeah.
하지만 설레는 마음으로 돌아온 벨리에게 난관이 하나 남아 있었는데요.
How could you guys be so irresponsible? And when did you leave the house without telling anybody? And what in the world are you wearing?
It's Taylor's. And why am I the only one who's not allowed to go out?
It's not that you're not allowed, it's that you should have told us you were going. At night?
Can you stop treating me like a kid?
If you want to be treated like an adult, you need to act like one.
Then maybe you guys should too.
What does that mean? I hope you realize this night could have ended a lot differently if your family wasn't your family.
We're sorry, Laura.
Go to bed, guys. I don't understand what is going on with you.
Nothing. Nothing's going on.
Connie.
그렇게 별장에서의 첫날 밤이 지나가고 다음날 벨리는 캠과 약속했던 보트를 타기 위해 일찍 집을 나서는데요. 우연히 콜레드를 만나게 된 벨리.
Last night was
Shit
amazing.
show. You know you're gonna have a black eye tomorrow, right?
It's already tomorrow. Hey, do you remember anything that happened last night? I mean, you were pretty wasted.
I always remember everything when I drink. Hey, let's go pick up some of the good muffins before everybody else gets out.
I thought this summer was going to be like all the other summers, but it's not.
I actually have somewhere that I need to be.
Wait, where are you going?
See about a whale!
지금까지 콜레드만 바라보던 벨리는 이번엔 새로운 남자 캠을 만나보기로 합니다. 하지만 보트는 이미 출발한 뒤였죠. 하는 수 없이 집으로 돌아온 벨리.
Billy, where have you been? Is that a bruise?
I bumped into someone.
Oh my God. Belly is going to be a debutante. Okay, this is going to be so much fun. Just you wait. There's the tea, the auction, the ball, of course, the rehearsal. I got to write this down. Which one of you is going to be Belly's escort to the ball?
Not me. I went last year.
I'm not going with either of you. I am going to find my own date.
말은 그렇게 했지만 벨리는 단칼에 거절하는 콜레드의 말에 실망했죠. 이를 눈치채지 못한 수제나는 벨리를 데리고 드레스를 고르러 갑니다.
Boy, no. Put that away. Ready?
No, what?
Really?
What have I done?
Oh no.
Oh
my God.
Look at that detail. Everybody's eyes will fall out of their heads when they see our girl.
Or what about this one?
Oh, no. That one's much too simple.
But it does seem more like Belly.
사실 다른 드레스가 더 마음에 든 벨리였지만 결국 수제나가 고른 것으로 결정하죠. 그리고 무도회 모임 첫날.
Or if the girls are mean, or even if the food is bad, you can text me. I promise I won't say I told you so. Have fun.
Jeremiah.
Oh my God. Belly. Wow, I didn't even recognize you.
Tell me the truth. Do I look like a fool?
No. You look good, but you look good. Let me walk you over. What?
우연히 마주친 제러마이아와 모임 장소에 들어간 벨리.
Jeremiah?
Paige. This is Belly. I mean, Isabel Conklin, the young woman my mom told you about. My future wife.
She's late. I'm so sorry.
You're at table 2.
Oh my God. That's the girl Conrad was kissing at the bonfire. And that's the girl Steven was with. FML.
Hi. Is that from the other night?
Here, let me fix it.
그런데 스티븐의 여자친구 셰일라와 콜레드의 여자친구 니콜은 벨리를 생각보다 편안하게 대해주는데요.
Belly's only a sophomore, right? I think that's what Conrad told me.
Yeah, I'll be a junior in the fall.
So, is this your first summer here in Cousins?
No, I've been coming here for my entire life.
Yeah, she's like family friends with Conrad and Jeremiah.
So are you and Jeremiah like a thing, or are you gonna take him to the ball?
They're like basically related. Okay, you have nothing to worry about.
이때 벨리는 우연히 지나가는 캠을 발견합니다.
No thanks, I'm good, but I'll be right back.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Cam!
Belly, what are you doing here? Wait, are you a Deb?
Yeah, I guess. Technically, yes.
Cool, nice.
I went down to the marina yesterday, but your boat had already left.
Seriously, man.
Yeah, if you had looked back toward the pier, you would have seen a sweaty version of me looking wistfully toward your boat.
Well, we never want you to be wistful.
You know, I think it's too late. The wistfulness has set in.
No.
No, I might be wistful forever.
Okay, well, do you think going to a drive-in movie with me tonight might help with the wistfulness?
Yeah, I think it would.
Cool. You know what? Let me give you this. You can put your information.
I think that should be good.
Sweet. Yay, cool. So,
Yeah.
see you later. Bye. Have fun.
그렇게 벨리는 캠과 자동차 극장 데이트를 하기로 하죠. 잠시 후 데이트 준비에 한창인 벨리.
Cracked one.
Nice.
See you guys later.
Damn. You look hot.
Hey, stop flirting with my sister.
Shut up, Steven.
You shut up. You look good, though.
You driving with or you meeting us there?
I'm not going to the book party. I'm going to the drive-in.
Me too.
Hey, dude, focus. Come on.
Okay, bye.
하지만 들뜬 벨리는 콜레드의 표정을 보지 못하고 나가버리죠. 그렇게 자동차 극장에서 데이트를 즐기는 벨리와 캠. 한편 소년들은 작가인 로럴의 사인회를 돕고 있었는데요.
Thank you.
Yo, this shit is so boring. Can we go somewhere?
Yeah, where?
Let's go to the drive-in.
Wait, like really?
마침 벨리가 신경 쓰였던 콜레드는 데이트를 방해하고자 극장으로 향합니다. 하지만 이를 까맣게 모르고 데이트를 즐기던 벨리.
Before last night, I'd only kissed boys during Spin the Bottle. Not in real life. Not because we both really want it. But the way I feel right now, this is what everyone talks about.
바로 그때
Hey, could you grab me that drink? Actually, maybe like a cherry Coke or something.
Yeah, no problem. Sounds good.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Thanks. What the hell do you think you're doing?
Just catching the end of our favorite movie.
You have no right. You have to go.
Oh, Belly, relax. We're just joking around.
Steven, if you don't leave, I swear to God, I will say to everyone in this car you're Dramini fanfic.
Drop it.
Hey, seriously? Please leave.
All right, let's go, guys.
What? Wait, what?
Steven, drive the car.
You were the one who wanted to come, Conrad.
Huzzah. Cherry Coke.
Thank you so much.
Had a really good time tonight. Did you also?
Yeah, no, I had a really great time. Yeah. I don't want this night to be over.
Can I, would it be cool to you if...
Yeah, yes.
오빠들의 방해는 있었지만 벨리는 캠과 성공적으로 관계를 이어나가게 되죠. 그렇게 들뜬 마음으로 집에 도착한 벨리.
How was your hot date?
Excuse me?
Okay, relax. We were just having a little fun.
You guys are assholes. All I wanted was to go to a drive-in with a guy that I think is cute and sweet, and you guys had to come and ruin it.
And us showing up for like 2 minutes? Ruined that, really?
Huh? Admit it. You knew what you were doing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You cared where I was, who I was with.
No, I didn't. I don't care.
Stop lying.
Stop being such a baby.
Oh, and you're such an adult. You spent your Saturday night crashing my first date for fun. Fine. Forget it. Why don't you go smoke some more pot?
Why don't you go look in the mirror some more?
I wonder if this is the way all crushes die. With a whimper, slowly, and then just like that, gone.
결국 벨리는 콜레드와 크게 싸우게 됩니다.
Every birthday I've ever had has been here, in this house. It's the one day the boys have to include me in everything. It's my favorite day of the year.
What is that?
Infinity. Do you know what that means? Imagine it's a racetrack. You see how there's no starting or ending point? You could travel endlessly around those curves. Goes on forever. That's infinity.
다음 날 어렸을 때 있었던 일을 떠올리며 1층으로 내려온 벨리. 오늘은 바로 벨리의 생일이었는데요.
There's the birthday girl looking like a vision in floral. Happy birthday.
Happy sweet 16, Bells.
Wow, Belly Button's getting old finally. Happy birthday.
Thanks, everyone.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. Thanks. You're making us pancakes already.
Shall we open gifts?
You're gonna love mine.
벨리는 서먹해진 콜레드를 뒤로하고 선물을 풀어봅니다.
It's a first edition. I got it from a rare book dealer.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay. Open mine now, Belly.
Oh, wow, they're gorgeous. Thank you, Susanna.
I'm next. Here.
Thank you.
It's a good luck charm.
Perfect. Thank you.
Think fast, Belly.
What? Steven.
Wow, Steven, I can't believe you actually spent money on me.
Conrad, do you want to give Belly your present?
Sorry, I forgot.
That's cool. I wasn't really expecting anything anyway, so.
Also, I gotta go. Happy birthday, Belly.
Hey, why don't we take my car and practice driving before we have to pick up Taylor from the bus station?
가라앉은 분위기를 환기시키려는 제러마이아. 덕분에 벨리는 조금 나아진 기분으로 제러마이아와 함께 친구 테일러를 데리러 가는데요.
You excited to see Taylor?
Yeah, of course. So excited.
You sure? Here she comes.
Oh my God! Happy birthday! Thank you.
그렇게 테일러와 시간을 보내게 된 벨리.
Conrad is going to lose his mind when he sees you in this bikini.
No, I doubt it. I honestly think he couldn't care less.
Come on, Belly.
No, seriously. He didn't even get me a present this year.
What?
Yeah. He claimed he forgot.
What a little bitch.
I can't believe you went against my very sound advice and went and got booed up anyway.
I guess. I mean, she's like the hottest girl I've ever met.
We know you're gossiping about us over there.
Yeah, you wish.
Let's play chicken. No.
Yes.
Not chicken!
I was like 12 last
Oh, come on, it'll be
Okay.
hilarious. Dibs on Jeremy.
I'm great. That means I'm stuck with Steven.
That isn't fair. You kidding me? Taylor's so much lighter.
Oh, I'm sorry I'm so massive. I wouldn't want to break your delicate little shoulders.
No, he's just taller than her is all. That's all.
Oh, come on.
Oh my God!
Go!
모두와 즐겁게 놀던 그때 콜레드와 여자친구 니콜이 나타납니다.
Hey, happy birthday, Belly.
You guys want to play a real game?
Yeah, sounds good.
I don't think you're ready. Come on.
그런데 그때
Ow! Oh my God.
Are you okay?
I'm so sorry, man.
Taylor,
It was an accident.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm totally fine. You guys keep playing.
Let me see it. Let's go inside. I'll get you some ice.
테일러는 니콜의 편을 들어주는
I'm
듯한
so
벨리의
sorry
모습에
again,
살짝
Nicole. Feel better,
서운해지죠.
okay?
I don't know what to think about you this summer.
What do you mean?
Suddenly you care about clothes. You have new friends. You have a boyfriend.
Yeah, well, I told you this summer would be different.
I know, I have to admit, I'm kind of freaked out by your glow up. You just promise me one thing.
Yeah, anything.
We'll always be best friends.
That'll never change. Best friends forever. Come on.
그렇게 두 사람의 사이는 잘 일단락되는 듯 했습니다. 그날 밤 생일 축하도 할 겸 파티를 열어 벨리와 테일러를 초대한 니콜.
Belly, you came! Hey, Nicole, you look so pretty. Oh, me, look at you. Oh my goodness, are those real flowers? Yes, it's incredible. Well, we have to show Gigi.
Yeah, totally.
You wanna go?
Yeah, fun over there.
Okay, I'm gonna go find a drink.
Okay. You guys, look who's here. Okay, well, Belly, make a wish.
하지만 새 친구들과 대화하기 바쁜 벨리는 미처 테일러를 챙기지 못합니다.
That looks fancy. Personally, I'd rather be comfortable.
Yeah, well, fancy isn't always better.
I don't think Belly agrees. She seems fully on board with the fancy girls.
Right, but Belly's never gonna feel fully comfortable around them. Come on, look, she's always gonna need you, all right? You're like her number one. Come on.
This line hasn't budged. Do you want to go upstairs and see if there are other bathrooms?
Yeah, sure.
This one goes out to Kim Cameron and our favorite little belly button. Summer loving had me a blast. I met a girl crazy for me. Tell me more, what does he ever come?
그제서야 테일러가 사라진 것을 눈치챈 벨리는 친구를 찾으러 2층으로 향하는데요.
Taylor? Taylor?
바로 그 순간
Oh my god!
Belly?
Oh my god. Oh, Jesus.
Steven!
You're hooking up with my brother?
I swear it just happened.
Well, what, you got bored? He's dating someone, you know, someone he actually likes.
You saying he couldn't like someone like me?
No, that's not what I'm saying. This could get really messed up. I mean, he's taking her to the Deb ball, and all those girls are her friends.
Oh my god, I'm so sick of hearing about this fucking Deb ball. I don't even know who you are anymore.
Why? Because I'm not just going along with everything you want to do?
You know, you act so innocent, Belly. Like you're the victim.
Victim?
Yeah,
but how do I'm sorry.
I think you're the self-absorbed one, Belly. How do you not know that I've had a crush on Steven for years?
그런 테일러의 말에 말문이 막힌 벨리는 자리를 뜹니다.
Literally not even close. Wait, Cam, have you started the waltz lessons yet? Miss Covington's a real sadist. Who are you talking about? She's the dance teacher for the ball.
Oh, yeah. Belly hasn't really asked me yet.
Oh, dude, I'm sure she will. Trust me.
Yeah,
seriously.
Cool. You say so. Go ahead, man.
Hey, can we leave, like, now?
Yeah, yeah. Sure, it's good.
그렇게 생일을 마무리하는 벨리.
Morning.
Good morning, Bells. Okay, I take it you and Tay-Tay haven't made up yet?
Nope. We haven't talked since last night.
이번에도 제러마이아는 벨리의 기분 전환을 도와주려 합니다.
Hey, do you want to go on a muffin run? I have to get out of the house.
I'm always down for a muffin run. I'm gonna make it to Go Cup. Do you mind grabbing the keys from Conrad's room?
Yeah, sure. Is he home?
No, he spent the night at Nichols.
Oh, do you know where he keeps the keys?
They should be in his desk.
그렇게 가라앉은 기분으로 콜레드의 방에 도착한 벨리. 그런데 이때 열쇠를 찾던 벨리는 서랍에서 뭔가를 발견하는데요.
At least he remembered infinity. Doesn't he know, for him, I would have traveled endlessly around those curves.
숨겨둔 콜레드의 마음에 다시금 흔들리는 벨리.
You good?
I just don't get Conrad this summer.
Why? Is it because he forgot your birthday?
No. It's because he's been acting weird since the first day that I got here.
Yeah, trust me, he's been weird for months. Just forget him.
도대체 콜레드가 이상해진 이유가 무엇일지 생각하던 벨리는 잠시 후 엄마와 함께 테일러를 배웅합니다.
Hey. Hey, have a safe trip. Thanks. Okay.
And about last night, you'll be happy to know that it'll never happen again. Steven said that it was a mistake and we never should have gone there, so, you know, it's whatever.
Look, I'm not mad. I'm just kind of weirded out.
Okay. I better get going.
Bye.
그렇게 조금 어색한 화해를 마친 벨리.
The 4th of July in Cousins is all about traditions. Susanna decks out the whole house, the dads come up for the weekend, the boys steam clams and shoot off fireworks.
며칠 뒤 독립기념일 파티를 준비하는 가족들.
Which makes me think, if Belly doesn't hurry up and ask Cam to that ball, you should take her.
Ew, no way.
No, yeah, I'm already going with Shayla.
To the debutante ball.
Yes?
That's wonderful. Oh, and don't forget, Miss Covington's first dance rehearsal is tomorrow, so TikTok.
I'm asking Cam today.
I don't know my kids anymore.
Oh, speaking of dads, yours called. He's closing a deal, so he can't come.
What? Did you say Dad's not coming?
Mm-hmm.
둘 모두 이혼 가정이었지만 독립기념일에는 남편들도 오는 것이 당연한 일이었는데요. 아빠가 오지 않는다는 말에 서운해진 형제들. 잠시 후 로럴의 전 남편이자 벨리의 아빠가 여자친구 빅토리아를 데리고 나타납니다.
You made it!
Yes.
How was the trip?
I forgot how crazy it gets here around the fall. Be nice. Hey. Come give your old man a hug. Huh? Oh my gosh. This is Victoria.
Hi guys, it's really great to meet you. I've heard nothing but 5-star reviews.
There's no way she's 27. We have to grab her wallet and check her ID.
She's in grad school, chill.
I can't chill. I mean, knockoff Dakota Johnson has her claws in our dad.
Yeah.
그렇게 파티는 시작되는데요.
God, I miss this. All of us together again for a good old Fisher forward.
Almost everyone.
So Adam couldn't make it, huh?
Apparently not.
Can I try a sip? Are your parents cool with that? Yeah, no, they don't care. Oh, then sure.
Well, how is it? Strong?
That is amazing. Yeah.
No wonder you like it. It tastes just like a Slurpee.
Yeah, exactly. Sous chef, I'm gonna need some more pomegranate juice.
You got it. What are you guys making?
Pomegranate margaritas, but with a twist.
Well, you gotta use the good blender.
No,
A
stop.
lot more
No.
Huh.
이때 술을 만들던 일행의 뒤로 콜레드의 아빠 애덤이 등장하는데요.
Adam! You came.
Happy 4th!
Dad!
Adam. You managed to get off work.
Yeah, couldn't miss the 4th with my family.
All right, well, let's get back to the party.
Okay, let's go, kids.
그런데 어쩐지 떨떠름해 보이는 수제나.
How you feeling, Suze?
What are you doing here, Adam?
Laurel called me this morning, said get your ass here, so I'm
She
here.
shouldn't have done that.
You didn't know.
No, I didn't.
Well, I thought you changed your mind.
Well, since it's done, we
한편 친구들을 초대한 벨리는 다 함께 시간을 보내기 시작합니다.
Well, thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah, very cute.
Hey, guys! Hey, check out who I found.
Yummy.
It's Cam Cameron.
Oh, I'm good, man. Thank you. I don't drink.
Yes, that's right. More for me. That's fine.
Okay, wait. But what if it was a race? I mean, isn't that the premise of like every drinking game? You want to play a drinking game?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Oh, I got it! Again! Oh, drink!
어느새 벨리는 잔뜩 취해 친구들과 대화를 나누고 있었는데요.
Belly, by the way, I love that dress.
Really? Thanks. Taylor got it for me, actually.
Well, Taylor has great taste.
Yeah, I know, right? You and Taylor are like twins. Because you're both mega fashion-y.
It's true.
And you're both like baddies. And you both like the same summer boys, which is...
We do?
Come on, let's go for that walk.
No, Cam. Yeah. Look, Shayla, like, don't worry, because my brother is an idiot. And it didn't mean anything. It didn't mean anything.
Let's go for
Wait,
the
what didn't mean anything?
What? Them kissing. It was like, he like loves you. He loves you and... Wait.
결국 말실수를 하고 마는 벨리.
You should.
Yeah.
Wait, Cam.
Everyone's leaving. Tell them not to go. Tell them not to leave.
Stay, you guys.
Oh, Shayla doesn't feel good. I think we had a little too much.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, I feel great. Let's do this again tomorrow.
But I'm actually gonna take off too. I just think we can catch up when you're a little less.
A little less.
Just drink water.
Okay.
Drink a
But
lot
I'm
of water.
not
Yeah.
drunk. I'm not.
Water will be good. Clean
I'm
water.
not. Okay.
하지만 벨리는 취기 때문에 분위기 파악을 전혀 하지 못하죠. 같은 시간 애덤을 불러낸 로럴.
What's going on with you and Beck?
This is all your fault. You shouldn't have called me like that. I'm staying away because she told me to. I thought you knew that.
Why doesn't she want you around? What did you do?
I fucked up. Just like you knew I would.
둘 사이엔 뭔가 일이 있는 게 분명했죠. 한편 잔뜩 취한 채 콜레드에게 다가가는 벨리.
Where are you?
I'm in the shower.
Everybody left. We still got margaritas to drink.
Okay, well, I can't drink it. In the shower, can you just put it down and I'll get it after? Nice shower.
I've always liked you with wet hair. So romantic.
What's so romantic about wet hair?
You just don't get it.
How many of those have you had?
2, 5. It's not important. Let me just ask you one thing, okay? Did you buy me that infinity necklace for my birthday? I knew it! I knew
Can I
I
please?
was right!
Can you give me some privacy, please?
자신의 선물이 맞았다는 생각에 벨리는 행복한 기분으로 집에 들어섭니다.
Cake time.
Where'd all the kids go?
More for us.
그런데 그때
Ooh, I want the piece with the strawberries!
Belly, are you okay?
Honey, are you okay? Here, let me help you.
Adam, I'm fine.
Come on.
Adam, I gotta stop it.
결국 큰 사고를 쳐버리고 마는 벨리.
I'm sorry. Mom?
I'll deal with you later.
이에 수제나가 걱정된 로럴은 그녀의 상태를 살피려 하는데요.
Want to tell me what the hell is going on with you and Adam? I'm sorry, but how was I supposed to know the two of you weren't getting along?
We should get back to the party.
No, we're not leaving this room until you tell me what's going on.
He cheated on me 3 years ago with his secretary.
What? I'm gonna kill him.
Laurel, I've handled it. By the time we get back, he'll be moved out.
Just slow down a second. Adam's a dick, but you're gonna need him. The boys are gonna need him.
We will be fine without him.
Okay, but clearly you aren't.
You always think you know so much better than everyone else. Just stop trying to manage my life.
If I don't, who will? Beck, you're not thinking this through. Who's gonna drive you to your appointments? Who's gonna make sure the boys are eating and going to school?
Look, I'm doing my best, okay? So just stop pressuring me.
You know I'm gonna be the one who has to clean all this up.
Well, nothing will make you happier.
Fuck you.
끝내 싸우고 마는 로럴과 수제나. 그날 밤 우울한 기분을 가다듬을 겸 수영을 하러 나가던 벨리는 콜레드를 발견합니다.
Does everyone hate me now?
Who could ever hate you? Belly, about the necklace.
I'm sorry I brought it up.
No. I did get it for you.
Then why didn't you give it to me?
I got embarrassed, I guess.
Why?
Belly, you don't know the effect you have on people.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You do.
You can't talk to me when I'm like this. Trying to scare you. You're the West Village. You're still doing wonders about times like this. You say the road gets hard and you get.
그런 두 사람을 보던 제러마이아는 어쩐지 씁쓸한 표정으로 돌아서죠. 다음 날 무도회 연습에 참석한 벨리.
Hey, I'm so sorry I was such a mess yesterday. I really hope I didn't screw things up that bad.
It's okay.
We're good.
Attention, everyone. Please welcome our debutante waltz instructor, Ms. Covington.
So, please join your partners now. When the music starts, you do not.
Hey, where's your escort? Were you gonna ask Cam?
6 margaritas kind of ruined that plan.
That's okay. I'll be your partner for today.
Really?
Sure, I'm your deb sister, but you need an escort for the big night. Paige is gonna have like an aneurysm if you wait too long.
Yes. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
Okay, are you sure you're okay?
때마침 제로마이아가 나타나는데요.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Ladies, mind if I have this dance?
Yes, actually, she's all yours.
Belly.
You're gonna get me in trouble with Paige.
Hey.
다행히 제로마이아 덕분에 벨리는 별탈 없이 연습을 마치게 되죠. 하지만 콜레드 생각만 가득한 벨리는 허겁지겁 집에 돌아오는데요.
Have you guys seen Conrad?
I think he's out sailing. But come, join us.
그런데 그때 캠이 걸어옵니다.
Hi.
Oh, hey, Cam.
Hi. Just thought I'd drop by. I'm sorry for taking off like I did yesterday.
No, I don't blame you. I was a wreck.
It's fine. Do you want to maybe go for a bike ride? I know this really cool spot.
Sure. Yeah. Let me go change.
Okay, cool.
이내 함께 시간을 보내게 된 두 사람.
I can't believe I've never been here before.
Yeah, I haven't come here since I was a kid.
Brought us some avocado and sprout sandwiches.
Thank you. He's so nice. I could hang out with him like this all summer and be really happy. But I can't help thinking that I wish I was here with Conrad. Is that a whale?
Oh, nice spot. That is a young female humpback. Woo. She's a beauty. You know what? I think this calls for some dessert.
자신을 계속 챙겨주는 캠의 모습에 죄책감이 생긴 벨리는 결국 입을 여는데요.
Cam, I can't.
I thought you said these were your favorite.
No, I love them. They're awesome. And you're awesome.
But kind of saw this coming when you didn't ask me to be your escort.
I'm sorry. I was planning
It's
to.
okay. You don't have to do the whole speech itself. The why or the who doesn't really matter.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
I know. Bummed. But I'll be fine. You should be with the person you really want to be with. And I hope he treats you right.
그렇게 벨리는 캠과의 사이를 정리하게 되죠. 그리고 돌아온 집에서 콜레드를 만날 생각에 열심히 단장해보는 벨리.
You're the only boy I've ever thought about. My whole life, it's always been you. You're back.
Hey.
I broke up with Cam.
Why?
Last night, you and I almost kissed.
Did we? I was pretty wasted. I don't really remember much.
그런데 어쩐 일인지 모르는 척하는 콜레드.
Okay, we almost kissed. What do you want me to say? I'm sorry?
Are you sorry?
I don't know. Really, I think about you. I do. Like, you know I do. I just can't.
I'm not waiting for you anymore.
끝내 벨리는 콜레드에게 완전히 실망해버리고 맙니다.
What happened to the boy I loved since I was 10?
What's up?
Hi. Hey, so, I'm sorry about what happened.
I'm sorry, too. Hooking up with your brother on your birthday was...
It's okay.
What's wrong?
I really wish you were here.
벨리는 답답한 마음을 감추지 못하죠. 그날 밤 산책을 하고 돌아온 수제나. 그런데 어쩐 일인지 몸을 제대로 가누지 못하는데요.
Mom?
이에 놀라 다가가는 콜레드.
Mom?
다행히 수제나는 괜찮아진 듯했죠.
I'm gonna fall.
한편 밤 수영을 즐기던 벨리에게 제로마이아가 다가옵니다.
Is this one of your solo night swims, or can I join?
Sure.
Oh, Bells.
What?
You sad you broke up with Cam?
No, it was the right thing. What is it?
It's nothing.
그런데 뭔가 할 말이 있어 보이는 제로마이아.
Everything. You're my best friend. There are times I wanted to be more.
Why didn't you say anything?
There was always Conrad. And this summer it was Cam. I guess I was just waiting.
For me?
Do you think you could ever...
Yes.
Susanna told me that when I was born, she knew I was destined for one of her boys. I always hoped it would be Conrad. But here I am, about to kiss Jeremiah Fisher.
그렇게 벨리는 제로마이아의 고백에 마음을 열게 되죠. 다음 날 이 사실을 알 리 없는 콜레드는 서핑을 하고 집에 돌아오는데요.
I want you to ask Belly to be your escort to the dub ball.
Mom, I can't.
Why not?
Just tell Jeremiah to ask her.
Connie, you know how much it'll mean to her if it's you. You're her Prince Charming, and we all know it.
No, that's not...
You've always been so good to her. Remember when you were the only one who'd let her tag after you and the boys? I wanted to go perfectly for her.
I'll think about it.
Okay, that's my Connie.
Didn't say I would do it.
Oh, and don't be late this afternoon for the tournament because we need help setting up.
I know.
결국 무도회 파트너를 해주기로 결심한 콜레드는 잠시 후 있을 배구 토너먼트를 준비 중인 벨리에게 다가가는데요.
Feeling good about the tournament?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Belly?
Yeah.
I'm sorry for being a jerk the other day and pretending like I don't remember when I remember everything.
I don't know what to say.
It's too little, too late. I get it. Can I take you to the ball?
What?
I mean, I already know all the dances. It's no problem.
I'll think about it.
Think about it.
드디어 콜레드에게 파트너 신청을 받은 벨리는 신나는 걸음으로 친구 테일러를 맞으러 가죠.
Oh, to be here. Where's my shirt? Okay, we're gonna kick all of their asses.
잠시 후 배구 토너먼트 개최 장소.
And I am delighted to welcome you to Play It Forward. Play It Forward will match pledges for the winner of the tournament. I say let the games begin.
경기 시작 전 콜레드는 니콜에게 다가가는데요.
Just a heads up. My mom is kind of freaking out because Belly doesn't have an escort to this dance.
She's right.
The thing is, my mom asked me to take Belly.
Why doesn't she just go with Jeremiah?
You know, Jerry, he hates this kind of a thing. Don't forget.
니콜의 마음도 모르고 통보식으로 이야기를 전한 콜레드. 이내 벨리와 테일러의 경기가 시작됩니다. 그런데
You okay? I just twisted it. Okay. Can you walk? Can you sub, please?
Yeah.
Just fine. You play.
모든 자초지종을 들은 테일러는 일부러 발목을 삔 척 제로마이아를 도와줍니다. 그렇게 두 사람은 다음 팀을 만나는데요.
You gotta dive for those. That's why we're on sand.
Right.
Jared, focus.
Here. Me.
그런데 실수를 연발하는 제러마이어.
Ref, can we get a tap? I'm so sorry. I have to win this, okay? They'll match my pledges.
I get it.
Conrad, I need you to sub in. Now.
끝내 제러마이어는 콜레드와 교체하게 됩니다.
Nice game, Jared Bear.
Where do you want me?
This way.
Let's do this.
마침내 우승하게 된 벨리.
You guys were incredible. Oh, you make such a great team. Did you ask her yet?
Ask me what?
To be your escort. I told him he had to ask you since, it was taking you so long to decide.
이에 파트너 신청이 부탁 때문이었다는 것을 알게 된 벨리는 기분이 가라앉는 것을 느끼죠.
How's your ankle? It's better.
Belly. Hey, Belly.
Hey, Nicole.
So my dad's boat just came up from Anguilla. So what do you guys think about a pizza and rosé in a few hours? Just something fun to end the day. And you're more than welcome to come too, Taylor.
Yeah, we'll be there.
Okay.
잠시 후 니콜의 선상 파티에 가는 두 사람.
What am I gonna do? I mean, how am I supposed to fully jump into something with Jeremiah if a piece of my heart still beats for his brother?
A piece of my heart will, always beat a little bit for your brother. But that doesn't mean that I won't allow myself to fall for someone even more incredible if he comes along. Taylor. What?
Belly!
Fuck my God.
한편 스티븐 역시 다른 파티에 가자며 제러마이아를 꼬드기고 있었는데요.
Nothing. I just don't really feel like going out tonight.
What? No, dude. I need you, man. It's not gonna be fun without you.
All right, I've got some stuff to do.
하지만 교체당한 일로 시무룩해진 제러마이아는 나갈 생각이 없었죠.
What's with him?
I don't know, man. He's being weird.
같은 시간 친구들과 함께 선상 파티를 즐기고 있는 벨리.
Put a finger down if you've ever made out with Jeremiah Fisher.
Shut the fuck up.
Wait, Belly, we want all the tea.
Sorry, Gigi.
No, it's fine.
I mean, there's not much to tell. He's like my best friend.
And when did it start?
About a week ago, we kissed in the pool at our house.
I always had this weird feeling there was something going on between you and Conrad. But I guess I just had the wrong brother.
Yeah, no, it's
이에 벨리는 아무 말도 하지 못하죠. 얼마 뒤 제러마이아는 조용해진 집에서 홀로 잠을 청하는 수제나를 발견하는데요.
Thought you left with Connie and Steven, honey.
어쩐지 힘이 없어 보이는 수제나의 모습.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just tired too. You know how much money you guys raised for the homeless shelter today? $5,000. I was so proud of you. And then Belly won. She'll be the literal belle of the ball.
She mentioned who she's taking?
I told Connie to take her. Connie seemed like his old self today, didn't he? I mean, he was so happy.
Yeah, I guess.
That storm cloud over his head didn't wander your way, did it?
No. You know, I think I am going to go to the party.
파트너 자리를 뺏길 위기였지만 수제나를 걱정시킬 수 없던 제러마이아는 그저 말없이 일어나죠. 한편 알몸으로 수영을 즐기던 벨리 일행.
Nicole. Yeah, Conrad's texting you.
Okay, coming.
Have to admit, I like your friends. I knew you would. They all seem down with you and Jeremiah. Even Gigi, whose veins just about exploded when she heard.
그런데 그때
I knew they were bitches.
What's happening? Taylor, what's going on?
They took everything, except for your phone, which has a really incriminating text from Conrad.
Wait, what does it say?
My mom did ask me to ask you to the ball, but that's not why I did it. I did it because I wanted to.
Oh my god.
Belly, concentrate.
콜레드의 진심이 담긴 문자에 웃음이 나오던 것도 잠시. 두 사람은 이 상황을 어떻게 해결해야 할지 막막했는데요.
Okay.
What about that?
No.
결국 근처에 있던 낡은 천을 두르고 집을 향해 걷는 두 사람.
No, but this is why Conrad's a disaster. Like, he's hot and mysterious, you know. I get it. I know. But everything he touches turns to total shit.
Yeah, I don't know why I keep letting him suck me in. It's just like today, he was like the old Conrad, and everything, it felt just like it used to, you know?
He got you back under his spell.
And then the spell broke. I realized I literally just kicked Jeremiah to the side for him.
Yeah, you kind of did do that.
I used to dream about Conrad and imagine what it would be like, and I felt safe. Because, you know, it was never gonna come true. He would never feel for me what I feel for him. When Jeremiah and I kissed, it was real. And real is like scary.
끝내 벨리는 제러마이아를 선택할 생각이었죠. 한편
Conrad, I need to talk to you in private.
Hey, Billy.
What's up?
I was at Hopper's Cove and I saw your text to Belly. You flat out lied to me, making up a whole ass story about how your mom is forcing you to take Belly to the ball.
Nicole, I swear my mom really...
Just stop it already! This whole summer I've been trying to figure this out, whatever this is, but really it's always been about Belly, hasn't it? And I'm so annoyed with myself for getting caught up in this because I know better.
I never meant to hurt you.
Oh, please, you didn't hurt me. You wasted my time. There's a difference.
There's just a lot of shit I've been dealing with, and that's not an excuse. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Your girlfriend and her friend are gonna need this.
그렇게 콜레드는 뜻밖의 선물을 받으며 니콜과 헤어지게 됩니다. 잠시 후 벨리와 테일러를 구하러 온 제러마이아와 콜레드.
Oh my God, Billy, are you okay?
What are you doing?
Nicole, she told me about him.
Do you want?
Oh,
cool.
Are you okay if I go with Jeremiah?
Oh my God, are you kidding me? Yes. 1000% yes.
It's a crazy night.
Didn't have to be. If you stopped playing all these games and just let her go, it would have been a great night.
갑자기 날아든 테일러의 팩폭에 콜레드는 말문이 막혔죠.
I'm sorry about earlier with the tournament. I get into my super competitive zone. Are you mad?
No, it's all good. Conrad's a better player anyway. So I heard he may be taking you to the ball.
Who told you that?
My mom?
Well, he's not.
이에 벨리는 제러마이아에게 자신의 마음을 확실히 보여주고자 하는데요.
Thank you for coming to get me.
Billy, I'll always come and get you.
Can you hear that? My heart's pounding.
Yeah, it's beating really fast.
I was always so scared for when this moment would come. But weirdly, I'm totally fine because it's Jeremiah.
Will you go with me to the temple?
그렇게 무도회 파트너를 결정하고 돌아온 벨리에게 한 통의 문자가 도착합니다.
Hey, I feel like I keep doing the wrong thing when it comes to you. This is yours. You don't have to keep it or anything. You could throw it in the ocean, burn it. I just
God.
Don't want to lose you.
마침내 선물과 함께 마음을 전하는 콜레드.
It's too late.
하지만 벨리는 이미 마음을 굳힌 상태였죠. 그리고 드디어 데뷔탕트 무도회 당일.
You got me the dress I wanted.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my God. Thank your mom. It was her idea.
그렇게 원하던 드레스를 챙겨 무도회에 참석하게 된 벨리.
Thank you.
Belly, go ahead.
Hey, you guys should really talk. Nicole, I'm really sorry.
About what? Conrad? I'm over it. I'm here with somebody else.
Can I just explain what happened? I've had a crush on Conrad for like my whole life, and he's always just seen me as his little sister. And then I thought that this summer maybe he could like me back. But the thing is, what he liked was that I liked him. You know, he never actually liked me.
그런 벨리의 말이 이해가 되는 니콜.
And I'm sorry. I was stupid enough to think that he ever could.
It's not your fault Conrad's a fuckboy.
I am completely over Conrad. Like so over him.
No one ever really gets over their first love.
그렇지만 니콜은 벨리가 콜레드를 잊지 못할 거라고 확신하는 듯했죠. 얼마 뒤 하나둘씩 도착하는 가족들.
Look at us. It's perfect. Everything's gonna be different next year. It may be the last summer we're all together.
Come on, we should go inside.
Yeah.
이내 오늘만을 위해 열심히 준비한 소녀들의 입장이 시작됩니다.
Isabel Conklin, daughter of John Conklin and Laurel Park, where she is captain of the varsity volleyball team. $1 for All Youth Can Code, a nonprofit that teaches underserved youth to code.
I'll be right back.
그런데 갑자기 북받쳐 오른 로럴이 자리를 뜨는데요.
Where's she going?
I don't know.
뭔가 힘들어 보이는 로럴을 뒤따라온 전 남편.
Sometimes I think the only person you ever truly loved is Susanna.
That's not true.
But you're gonna have to face that Susanna isn't gonna be here much longer.
Don't say that.
It's the truth.
바로 그때
The escort dance is about to start. Belly really doesn't want you to miss it.
Thank you. We'll be right there.
아무렇지 않은 척했지만 제로마이아는 수제나에 대해 심각한 얘기를 나누는 두 사람이 뭔가 이상했는데요.
Hey, does my mom seem okay to you?
Sure, why?
I don't know, she's been sleeping a lot and smoking a lot more pot.
She seems fine to me.
Yeah, but I heard your parents talk about it and your mom seemed really upset.
걱정스런 마음으로 무대를 마친 제로마이아는 몰래 수제나의 핸드폰을 가져갑니다. 잠시 후 무도회 참가자와 파트너의 춤 시간이 시작되는데요.
I don't know where Jeremiah is.
He'll be here in a minute, I'm sure. Go, get ready.
Okay.
그런데 나타나지 않는 제로마이아.
Where's Jeremiah? Connie, have you seen your brother?
He was just here a second ago.
제로마이아는 충격적인 사실을 깨달은 상황이었는데요. 사실 수제나는 암에 걸려 생명이 위독한 상태였던 것. 그러나 이를 모르는 벨리는 나타나지 않는 파트너 때문에 몸둘바를 모르고 있었습니다.
You know that dream where you're standing in front of the classroom naked and everyone is staring at you? I am living the dream. Hey, have you guys seen Jeremiah?
No.
No.
이에 결국 나서는 콜레드.
Jeremiah, honey, where were you?
I ate something. I think maybe the shrimp was bad.
다행히 벨리는 콜레드와 함께 꿈같던 행사를 마치게 됩니다.
Thank you.
I think I messed up some of those steps.
You were great.
Glad that it was me.
Hey, Jeremiah, where were you?
Conrad, we need to talk, all right? It's important. It's about Mom. I found something out. You already know, don't you? You've known this whole fucking time and didn't tell me? Jared.
그런데 그때
Stop it! Both of you, stop it! What is going on?
Mom. We know, Mom. We both know.
Know what?
그제서야 수제나의 상태를 알게 된 벨리. 콜레드가 갑자기 이상해졌던 것도 사실 수제나의 상태를 먼저 알게 됐기 때문이었죠.
All summer long, I've been thinking about myself, and Susanna was sick, and I didn't even know.
That's how she wanted it.
I don't believe in that stuff anymore.
She's not gonna get better, is she?
No.
그렇게 세 사람은 눈물로 가득한 시간을 보내게 됩니다.
I'm so sorry the night turned out like this. It's not how I wanted you to find out.
Mom, you're gonna do the trial, right?
No, honey. Chances are very slight. I just can't go through that again. It was too hard the first time.
Mom, but you could try. You have to try.
I just want to be me when I go.
Why aren't you saying anything? Mom, this is crazy. You have to try. You can't give up on us.
Mom, can't you just... Can't you just try? For us, Mom.
Jesus Christ, I'm so blue.
결국 아들들의 부탁을 못 이긴 수제나는 치료를 결정하죠. 다음 날
Did it? You changed your mind.
Oh, it wasn't me. It was Jer. He did it. Belly, I'm sorry for being so shitty all summer.
I mean, you were going through all this alone. I wish you had told me so you didn't have to.
I wanted to. Almost did a couple of times.
We should go in.
There's so many things I want to say to you.
Don't. Not now.
Why?
Because you really, really, really need somebody right now, and I don't want to be the kind of person who takes advantage of that.
I don't just need somebody. I need you. I do want you.
결국 콜레드와 마음을 나누게 된 벨리의 모습을 끝으로 드라마 내가 예뻐진 그 여름 시즌 1은 막을 내립니다.